Let me sleep a minute more. It's so cold outside, and my eyelids are like burning coals. I don't mind if the whole world is packed up and falls apart, if our homes start to burn. And even our names. So let's celebrate our birth. Once we were on the birds, flying low, but tonight we spread our wings above the clouds. Take your pictures of the good times and bury them in the ground, so they can find them in a million years from now.